Welcome to Blissmas Academy. As a part of this video, we'll understand installation of Jupyter Notebook in Ubuntu. First step to install the Jupyter Notebook is to log into Ubuntu. I am logging into Ubuntu here. I am typing my password. The same way you have to log into Ubuntu. Wonderful. Next, you have to open a terminal. You can search for a terminal here. I get this. I opened a terminal. Then before you install the Jupyter Notebook, you have to update and upgrade the sudo apt. How do you do that? Say sudo apt update. Let me run this. It will ask for a password. I need to provide the system password here. You can see it started to update. Okay, update is done. Now let us go ahead and upgrade. Let me clear the screen first. Type in sudo apt upgrade. Say yes. This may take some time. Please be patient and wait for upgrade to complete. The upgrade is progressing. Okay, let us wait for some time it to complete. Be patient to complete this. Wonderful. Sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade are completed. Let us go ahead with the next steps. If you don't have a Python 3, you need to install the Python 3. Let us go ahead and do that now. Let me clear this. I will type sudo apt get install Python 3 and it will ask for a password. I will supply the password. Done. The installation of Python 3 has completed. It says Python 3 is already in the newest version. So no need to kind of again install it. So system only took a call, which is fine. In case if you don't have a Python 3, please go ahead and run this. If you have a Python 3, then it will say Python 3 is already the newest version. This step is done. Let us move to the next step, where you have to install the Python 3 pip. How do I do it? I will type sudo apt get install Python 3 -pip. Say yes. It will install all the pip related components related to Python 3. It may also take some time. Please wait patiently until this gets completed. It's almost completing now. Done. Python 3 pip installation is done. Now we have to install IPython 3. How do I do it? We clear this. I will repurpose my earlier command to install IPython 3. So all I have to do is take out the pip and type I instead of Python 3. Let me go ahead and hit enter button. I have to say yes here. It's almost completing. Wonderful. IPython 3 installation is done. Let us move with the next step. I have to install Jupyter now. I'll say pip 3 install Jupyter. Let us go ahead and run this. Wonderful. After the pip3 installation is done, reboot your system. The command to reboot is simple. Reboot. Enter. It is rebooting your Ubuntu. Wait for some time until reboot happens. Let me log into Ubuntu again. After the reboot, all you got to do is open a terminal and type Jupyter Notebook. So it will open up a browser wherein we can start using the Jupyter Notebook. You can see it is there in a local host 8888. Wonderful. Your installation of Jupyter Notebook is complete now, which you can start using for writing the Python programs. I can just get rid of this, say don't show anymore. Okay, now what I'll do is I would need a notebook, right? Otherwise, why would I install the Jupyter Notebook? I will click on new and say Python 3 IPY kernel. I'll click on that. It will open one more browser where I can start writing the Python programs. There you go. So I can write a simple Python program now, like just to test whether this is working or not. All I will say is print installation of Python 3 is complete. And the way you can do it is you can just select this and say run. You can see installation of Python 3 is complete. Wonderful. You're all set to use the Jupyter Notebook and start writing the Python programs. Thank you.